impressive. Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we have a good one. We're in the truck, we're out on these back roads, going to be doing some testing with the new Pulsar LT and how the new throttle response control works. Now, if you didn't see the previous videos, we made one on the install, which it was super simple, and the second one was regarding miles per gallon. So if you didn't see those, I'll try to link one of them up here top somewhere. But like I mentioned, today we are out going to be testing the throttle response. We have, I believe, 6 different levels. I'm going to put it up on the screen here. It is a feature that you can use while you're driving the truck. The truck needs to be on in order to use it, and all of the functions come from your cruise control, just like when we did the setup. So it's kind of a nasty rainy day. I figured we'd get out here, take it for a spin, and like I mentioned, we did have a little bit of scare at first because we weren't expecting it, and once you're used to it, it's okay. But if you are like me and you forget if the cruise control is on or off, and you accidentally hit that reset button, it'll actually start changing your throttle response settings from stock. And I accidentally did that going about 70 miles per hour down the highway, and when your gauge drops to 0, which you're going to see here in just a minute when we go through the process, it kind of freaks you out for the first time. So we're just going to kind of get on it and see if we notice anything. We know we're getting better miles per gallon. We know that the truck is running better. It's easier to maintain speed. We have less downshifting. So far, this device is paying for itself. It truly is. It truly opened the truck up, and this is kind of the last piece of the puzzle because there are many features, but this is kind of an exciting one because it's more on the performance side. We're going to be using the cruise control set and reset in order to adjust our settings. Cruise control is currently off, and I'm just going to show you real quick that when you kick it up, we lose our speedometer and we go into the menu, then it'll revert back. If you want to go into number 2, just kick it up again. You notice we're up to 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. And then once you're done with the mode, give it a couple seconds and it reverts back to your miles per hour. So we're in stock mode now. Now the first setting is a decrease of throttle response. So if you're cruising down the highway 70 miles an hour and you accidentally hit that, you will notice a feeling of a loss of power. It's really interesting how it works. You got to kind of feel it to really understand, but trust me, it is very noticeable. I'm not just saying it. You can really feel the throttle and just how touchy it is. Alrighty, so I don't want to bore you with each individual level. We're gonna start stock, which is right here. I'm not gonna floor it, but I'm gonna get on it a little bit. Now we're gonna slow down. We're gonna go through our menu. We're gonna go up to 4. We're back here at 0. We're gonna get on it. Woo! Did you hear that? We spun the tires, got on it the exact same. Did you guys hear that? We went from stock all the way up to stage 4, same pressure on the throttle, and we spun the 35s, which is very impressive. I didn't floor it, I just got on it a little bit, and it spins the tires. We're not increasing power, we're just increasing that throttle response, and wow. So I'm gonna roll a window down this time. We'll go back down here. Once again, we'll do stock, then we'll do stage 5, I don't know, and trust me, what a difference. Woo! Woo! That's impressive. Alrighty guys, so that's going to wrap it up. It's starting to snow out here. Hope you enjoyed the video. I am very impressed with this product. If you don't have one, I'm telling you, you need to buy one. It's worth every penny. It's either saving gas, fixing tire sizes, and what we showed today with the throttle response. It's so impressive. It really changes how the truck drives, activating all 8 cylinders. I just can't say enough good things. I will say today that I never once floored the truck, which is also very impressive. I was just getting on it and we were burning the tires. I think if someone was in stage 5, even with these 35s, and you just floored it, with the traction control off, I think you just light the tires up, and who knows what would happen. So sorry for a little wind noise. The weather's getting really bad, but like I said, we're going to end it here. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Don't miss any more. We may be making another video or two with this once we get the boat out and once we get the camper back out, seeing how it's really going to tow. But for now, we're going to leave you here. Hope you enjoyed. See you later.